Uh, Alhamdulillah, the world, especially the people all over the world, has seen that the system, the global system, are all from Jahiliyyah. It is man-madeism. Sometimes it may be nationalism, it may be secularism, or communism. All this man-madeism, the the people of the world, they are tired to see all this man-madeism. They are waiting for new order, and this is the new order system, that is Islam. Inshallah, people are anxiously waiting that Islam will come and Islam will prevail. So our sorrows and sufferings will go, and we will be in peace, inshallah.
We have seen recent various development in Bangladesh. So, what do you think that this new developments and the setup which will establish or the consequences of these developments will will contribute in the new global order?
Inshallah, because you have seen two ministers from Bangladesh Jamaat-e-Islami with the government of BNP, that is Nationalist Party, and they conducted three ministries, that is social ministries, and the industries ministry. They are doing so nicely. The the opponents, they tried to find any misuse of power or any misappropriation. They could not find not a single taka. So it is the popularity of Bangladesh Jamaat-e-Islami and its leader, Maulana Rahman Rahimahullah, and Ali Hassan Muhammad Mujahid Rahimahullah. Two are the ministers, and they established the peaceful atmosphere in their ministries. Alhamdulillah.
Last questions: how the people of Bangladesh feels about Pakistan, what they want, how relations they want to establish with Pakistan.
I think the expectation of Bangladeshi people from Pakistan is great. There is an Islamic environment in Pakistan more than Bangladeshi here. So it was expected that Pakistan will become the Islamic country before Bangladesh. This was their conception. This was their expectation. Now this moment, I think, if Allah helps us, Bangladesh will be the first Islamic country before Pakistan, inshallah.